Types of pasta, Part 1. Spaghetti. Long, thin, round strings. Spaghetti. Farfalle. Bow tie or butterfly-shaped pasta. Farfalle. Linguine. Long, flat strands, similar to flattened spaghetti. Linguine. Fettuccine. Flat, thick ribbons, wider than linguine. Fettuccine. Penne. Short tubes with diagonal or angled ends, often with ridges. Penne. Trophy. Short, thin, twisted shapes, often used with pesto. Trophy. Ziti. Medium-sized smooth tubes with straight ends. Ziti. Macaroni, elbows. Small, curved, C-shaped tubes. Macaroni. Cavatappi. Corkscrew-shaped macaroni, twisted tubes. Cavatappi. Manicotti. Large, wide tubes designed to be stuffed and baked. Manicotti. Calamaritta. Thick rings that look like calamari, squid rings. Vermicelli. Thin strands, slightly thicker than angel hair but thinner than spaghetti. Vermicelli. Pipe rigate. Curved, snail shell-shaped tubes with one closed end. Pipe rigate. Fusilli. Short, twisted, spiral-shaped pasta. Fusilli. Rotini. Tighter corkscrew spirals than fusilli. Rotini. Gemelli. Two strands twisted together like a rope. Conchigly. Seashell-shaped pasta that cups the sauce. Conchigly. Orecchiette. Small, round, ear-shaped discs. Orecchiette. Rotel, wagon wheels. Round pasta with spokes like a wheel. Kazarecki. Short pasta rolled up to look like a scroll. Campanelle. Cone-shaped with ruffled edges, looks like a bell. Maffaldine. Long, flat ribbons with wavy, ruffled edges. Maffaldine. Tortiglione. Similar to rigatoni but with deeper, twisted ridges. Tortiglione. Tagliatelle. Long, flat ribbons, often sold in nests. Tagliatelle. Pappardelle. Very wide, flat, broad ribbons. Pappardelle. Angel hair, capellini. Extremely thin, delicate strands. Capellini. Bucatini. Thick spaghetti with a hollow hole running through the center. Bigoli. Thick, tube-like strands, often made with whole wheat. Packsherry. Large, wide, short tubes that flatten when cooked. Packsherry. Bavette. Long, flat pasta, slightly narrower than tagliatelle. Spaghettoni. A thicker, wider version of standard spaghetti. Pisces. Thick, hand-rolled pasta that looks like fat spaghetti. Tagliolini. Long, ribbon-like strands, thinner than tagliatelle. Zitoni. Wide, long hollow tubes, like long ziti.